issues. Nothing that a copy of the big issue wouldn't sort out. But sounds throaty, doesn't it, Shane? OMG! Can I honestly say, I'm shocked. Brakes a little sad soft. Rev counter's working. Noisy. Keep it running. Keep it running. Keep it running. I don't know. I'm not dubious now whether this has got 5 years. Definitely having gear selection problems. Well, not, you know, like majorly typical. That's definitely first. That's definitely second. That's definitely third. That's definitely fourth. That's definitely the gear lever top. It could be a fault of the selector, it nothing to do with the gearbox. What, dragging the exhaust? I'd just like to say, I'll break these little bit to be desired. What's that there? Ah, it's the granddad with the grandson. There she is. There she is. All right, she's not exactly as finished as we wanted, and she still has quite a long way to go. But on the whole of it, I have been down the road in it. And I came back and it drove alright. The exhaust is very bit loud. But yeah, she drove even with one broken spoke. Not too fussed about that. Anyway, so that obviously was that one. Now, this is the actual birthday girl here. Now, the birthday girl is the one that's actually 60 years old, because she's December 61, and she needs work. We need to do a load of work. I used to work on the painter. Now I have become the painter of E Type. I think she's next on the list. So maybe when that thing can be driven around, this one I might get in the paint shop, and we might have a go at doing it. Maybe just give it a coat of paint just because it's starting to get a little bit nasty. If it gets too bad, then it won't be good. So we might as well sort it out now. Don't you think? And I think it'd be worth doing now. I do. Possibly not as a big long-term job, but certainly as a job to do to sort it out. Because like I say, he needs desperately doing it. But she's been out and right. She had a birthday run, but it's the young kid here, the youngster that we didn't think was going to make it. Now the tailgate isn't actually closed down, I might add. So before you will start getting upset about the tailgate, it's not actually shut because the rubber's not on. The doors have gone a bit out because the rubbers are pushing them out. Obviously it hasn't been washed and it hasn't been polished and it hasn't had anything at all done. And it's just ass. It drove out of the shed a minute ago. So we may well give her a start up again, take her another little ride. I think we ought to, don't you? I think we ought to. Ought to do something like that. But as I said before, she made it. And there they are. 2 of them. Talk to you soon.